Okay. This is Diamond begging for Ready Whip.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta get under it. And Lucy's terrified of it. You want another one? Put him up. It's on her paw. Oh, look, Lucy has it on her chin. Kate, would you like another little mini shot?
No, you're gonna get.
I won't. Oh my goodness! I won't overstuff you. Make it come out your ears. Put them up. Put them up. Put them up. Both paws.
She's dancing.
She's too worked up. Oh, right in her head. Okay. Okay, one more and then I'm done. Lucy is a chicken. Diamond